If you want to know how to launch an affiliate program from scratch, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create a successful affiliate program that attracts top-tier partners and drives growth for your business. So, if you're serious about setting up a program that works, stick around until the end because I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we're using today, only available to viewers of this channel. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need the right software to run your affiliate program. After testing all the popular options, I found the best one to scale an affiliate program effectively. I'll tell you more about this software shortly, but just know it'll save you tons of time and hassle when it comes to managing affiliates. Now, step one in launching an affiliate program is choosing your niche and deciding what kind of product or service your affiliates will promote. This step is crucial because the type of program you create will determine the types of affiliates you'll attract. Choose a niche that aligns with your business goals and appeals to the audience you want to target. The more specific, the better. It helps create stronger, more focused partnerships. Step 2 is setting your commission structure. You want to make sure your affiliates feel incentivized to promote your products, so the commission needs to be attractive. Most programs offer either a flat rate per sale or a percentage of the sale. However, don't just copy what others are doing. Think about your profit margins and what will truly motivate affiliates to go the extra mile for you. Consider adding tiered rewards for high performers. Once you've got your niche and commission structure sorted, it's time to build your affiliate program's infrastructure. This includes creating affiliate links, setting up tracking systems, and defining clear terms and conditions. The software we'll be using today makes this process seamless. It allows you to automatically generate unique affiliate links, track clicks, conversions, and pay affiliates without having to lift a finger. It's all automated, which is key to saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Step 3 is recruiting your affiliates. This is where your program can really take off. Start by reaching out to influencers or bloggers within your niche who have a strong following. Be clear about what they'll earn and how they'll benefit from joining your affiliate program. Also, consider offering affiliates exclusive bonuses or rewards for hitting certain sales targets to keep them motivated. After your affiliates start signing up, step 4 is to provide them with the tools they need to succeed. This means offering them high-converting banners, landing pages, email templates, and everything else they can use to drive traffic to your site. The more support you give your affiliates, the more likely they are to push your product effectively. Now, one of the most important things you need to do is track the performance of your affiliate program. This is where the software we're using today comes in. It will let you monitor your affiliates' progress and identify which ones are performing well. Use that data to optimize your program, adjust commissions, or even reach out to your best performers for exclusive deals. To wrap it up, the key takeaway here is that launching an affiliate program from scratch is all about the right foundation. Get your niche, commission structure, and software in place first, then recruit affiliates and provide them with everything they need to succeed. The software we've been using is the perfect tool to help streamline this process, so be sure to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. To quickly recap, select your niche, set a compelling commission structure, choose the right software to manage everything, recruit affiliates, and provide them with the tools to promote your product. With these steps, you'll be on your way to launching an affiliate program from scratch that drives results. And don't forget, click the link in the description to grab your exclusive free trial and follow along with the software we're using. Thanks for watching.